is May 27th and I am just now getting to uploading this video. I want to clear some things up. It wasn't just because I was lazy. I didn't have storage. I was working full-time and I was doing school full-time, so nobody better come at me. How many months later? Like 10 months later, finally getting this video posted. Anyways guys, I think I've talked too much. I hope you guys enjoy this video.
No, vinimos para Nacaroche.
Cristo!
I'm not dropping.
No entendí.
Díganos a mi vlog.
Le equipo de pick you up, Kimbo.
Está aquí. ¿Quién, Cristo? ¿Para dónde vas? ¿Para dónde vamos? ¿Para dónde vamos? Para Chicago.
A Chicago.
¿Para dónde vamos?
A Chicago para ver la Will Tower y a ver el frijol grande.
¿Por qué no les gustan esas?
¿Quién dijo eso? Judy. Ay. So we're at the Gateway Arch in Missouri. Oh, not the car. We're musty today, so I'm not vlogging myself. Oh, I need to zoom out, but everybody's up there. Nobody's waiting for me. And how many stairs I gotta walk up through? We made a stop at Wingstop.
We're gonna go to Chicago.
Introduce yourself. Be like, hi, my name is Alexander.
My name is Alex.
And where are we going?
To Chicago.
Woo!
Non-stopping. 5 hours.
A ver. Diles, hola.
Hola.
¿Dónde estamos?
En Cacaroche. Cago para jugar el Chicago para pegado.
Cristo, where you at? You got it. Un taxi. This is a red siding.
Taxi.
Canta, cántales.
Baby, tú me rompiste el corazón.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring. So
¿Qué pasó, Cristóbal?
Y ahí como hay paquetes o algo así.
No sé.
Spider-Man.
I'm not.
Okay, guys, we're at the sky deck. I don't know if you can see that.
Are you scared? I'm a little scared. Like,
Yeah, like-
this much scared. Like so.
Like the height of the tower. That's how scared I am.
Yeah.
Are you scared?
I'm not going because I'm kind of scared.
You told me you were going though.
No, but it's 1,450 feet tall.
It don't matter.
But
Wait,
you're gonna lean down to see that like you're falling.
Let's go. I'm gonna turn it around.
Oh, yeah, it's a door.
Dinner. Are you nervous? I am.
Batman doesn't get nervous.
Boy.
We'll be jumping in the elevator.
Raven came.
We'll be jumping in the
Stop
elevator.
scaring her.
Ya me voy a estar brincando en el elevador, tipo.
I'm trying to.
Aquí en Chicago se quemó todo Chicago.
Eso es la canción de la noche que Chicago.
Ah, en 1800 no sé qué. ¿Qué pasó? Se quemó toda la pinche ciudad.
¿Sí?
¿Por qué?
Hay una canción muy triste que canta una banda que dice, ay, ¿estás grabando?
Sí, lo voy a meter. Lo voy a meter en el video.
In the ocean.
In the ocean.
Better go up right
Can I film?
Yes, I'm scared.
Okay. Guys, look around.
Oh, ya va en el set, ¿sí? Ya. Mira.
Where are we running, Brianna? Because I don't think we paid like enough hours for the parking. Come on, Monies.
We're Chicago. I got on that top building.
¿No le tomamos una foto aquí?
You see those lights? I went all the way over there. But my ears got me taparon.
Yeah.
At least I have a chico.
Doing what? Oh, with Brianna's blanket?
Why'd you say it out loud?
Give me my blanket.
I think we might be lost, but I'm living for this view.
Ya me estaba viendo que voy.
But I'm gonna show you guys the mess we already made. We have a little room, like you walk in, we have this little room space. I'm sorry you can hear the phone. Then we have like a desk, maybe. Hey. We have the restroom, my sister's in there. What is this? The closet. We have a little sink, a little fridge, microwave. I don't know what that is. Yes. Ooh, look at this aesthetic view. We have a mirror, which I like because I don't have to fight for the restroom just to wash my face.
Oh, I see.
We have 2 beds, a big TV. We have like storage for our clothes. And then we have a really pretty city view, which my sister wants to show you.
Of course, I am. Can you turn on the lights? I'll do it since I want to. Oh, it's like another mirror right here. Yadi, this is so pretty. You should like. Why is it not focusing?
Honestly, love that never changes. Take me for a
But yeah, that's the view. It's because from here looks so pretty. Like, look at it. Just. Okay, guys, we're on our way to. Gina, where are we going? Where are we going? I don't know where we're going, but we're gonna go eat because our family's full of big guys. You know how we are. Cute. There's the living dream.
Show the person who paid for the trip.
Thank him. Over here is just like so many cars. So like I don't know what to do. It's kind of awkward filming.
My girl is starving. So give me that
Give me an ASMR.
Tomatoes. Yeah, Reddy's favorite.
Where's the mark? Over here?
My sister's ready to attack my pasta, right? Okay, go ahead.
No.
Morning, guys. It's our second day. What's not even morning? It's already 12. So my mom, my sisters. I'm scared. Like, this is too close. I'm afraid of heights, so I mean, I'm not the only one scared. Taking their sweet time. Kimbo.
and I let it get deeper and faster, and baby, I would never.
I want to show you down here because it looks so pretty. Alright, gotta take the cutest pictures.
Where you at?
It's
The
so
bean.
tiny. It's so tiny.
I left my heart on the sleeve on a one-way trip to Chicago. You made a fool out of me, now I'm all used up. How did I know? Don't act like you don't ever want it. If you never need it, even
No estoy grabando. ¿Dónde estás, Cristo?
Aquí.
¿Dónde aquí?
one-way trip to Chicago. Every time that I think about it, I just think about.
¿Tiene Starbucks? ¿Dónde está el Starbucks? We decided to divide because mi y yo queremos ir al Ross. Estamos bien divididos. My sisters are with us. We're going to Starbucks first.
Because I wanted Starbucks, of course.
Era más de eso. Starbucks. Hi, Kimberly. And I got mine. And she's gonna wait. What is it called? Vanilla bean? It's good. I never tried it, but it was good. It tastes like McDonald's ice cream.
No, vanilla bean. It tastes like ice cream.
Yeah. I forgot I have vanilla on mine, so it's a little sour. I mean, not sour, but a little strong. Yeah.
That's sour. Ew.
Alright, so we're lost, but we're hungry, so. Oh my god, this room has the worst light. Everybody's downstairs. I had just stayed in here to finish an assignment. My god, lighting is super bad. But I finished. I'm just waiting for them to come back up to get their phones so we can go. I think we're gonna go to see like the little carnival place. I don't know what it's called. I'm sorry, don't come at me. Ouch! Stop barking!
Let me film.
Let me film.
No, nobody's filming but me.
Yareli. We're going to where?
I don't know.
We're going to like the Ferris wheel, I think. That's the Trump American
I said it first.
Yeah, we thought it.
Can you guys hear the wind? It's cold.
The city view from here is like so pretty, and like that's like the water right there, and yeah.
Now my sister's trying to be a YouTuber.
Excuse me, like I'm helping you. I love helping people
Hey, watch your steps.
so much. Guys, it's for me. Dijo que no al carro.
And look at the big Ferris wheel.
Okay, what else do we want to see? The whole city view. It looks so beautiful out here.
One I wanted to get on the Ferris wheel, but Glass just said nobody wants to go with her.
We're all scared.
Yeah, we're all
Alex wants to
scared.
go.
I want to go. Daddy wants to go.
No.
Yes, I do.
No, thank you.
Yo me quería subir a esas tazas. ¿Me has dicho un chocolatito?
Princess is mad over there. Oh, you can't see her.
He's real man, big man. I don't know if you can see him right there. Like the walking thing is right there. He's fucking done.
Here comes Princess. Wow, he's gonna get mad.
He's coming at the last freaking 5 seconds.
Run!
What if I told you that it cannot get better?
Chick-fil-A. Almost everything is 2 stories here.
I forget my words.
I know.
And faster than, baby, I would never be fine. It's a love I couldn't save.
I don't trust this elevator. It's
Chick-fil-A.
va bien lento.
Hola.
Mira,
A ver toda la view.
nos va a ganar hasta él.
One-way trip to Chicago. You made a fool out of me. Now I'm all
Are you looking to try that on? Or?
I was gonna grab you.
Vámonos pues. Okay, for sure.
Vámonos pues.
Grabando Junior.
Ya pues.
The 6?
on a one-way trip to Chicago. Every time that I think about it, I just think about all we've been through. It's honestly love that never changes. Take me the same that I come true. Hold me tight. I don't wanna go if it's not the same for you. I left my heart on the sleeve on a one-way trip to Chicago. You made a fool out of me. Now I'm all used up. How did I know? Don't act like you don't ever want it. If you never need it, even though you don't feel the same.
Do we want to be on camera? Okay, we're all here at
I
the
want crumble
walk.
cookie.
And this girl's got playing the whole time. Now she wants crumble cookie. It's giving major big bag. Sentarme en paz, descansar sola. Sitting all day.
¿Por qué no me ha llevado mucho? Me vine como unas 2 veces allí.
It's giving major big bag.
Dame, dame, dame. I still finished my cookie. And I'm
Is that good in here?
Más, Mayra. ¿Más quieres más?
Así es como te decía.
Se molía tan bueno. Amor, porque ya comí mucho azúcar. No se me hizo dulce.
Big bag.
Empalo, ¿quieren pan?
¿Quieres probarla?
Okay, we're on a little boat thing. We're gonna get 90-minute tour, I think.
Where do you want to leave?
How deep?
Yeah. I'm gonna drop your
What is
camera.
that? It's my question. She wants to go swimming. I want to do her favor, right, Kimbo?
I'm making y'all a favor to jump.
No.
Ever in Chicago?
Ay, no, te vas a estar. Ma, ¿qué traes?
Behind Marina City was to be the city in the city to accommodate for access to the lifestyle that was just not accessible downtown at the time. Up next on your right hand side, a large base. Spelled Willis, but she's pronounced Fear. Thank you. But for legal reasons, I do have to call this the Willis Tower. I need this job. This was 1974. It would be the tallest tower in the world, and I would be in bell-bottom pants. Take note of how the tower is designed. They call this.
as we're leaving. Dude, it's so pretty out here, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with this cold. Kimbo, can you record my camera?
Yeah, sure.
It's already recording.
E incluso puede cruzar la calle si quiere y puede grabar ahí en México. Mire, ahí está mi tienda, Jaime.
Pues, ¿qué prefieres tú? ¿Noche o día?
Fashion. Mire.
¿Noche o día?
Ahí está, mira, ese es el... No, ese no es el... Ese no es el... No, hasta ese me hace el que es como pulga.
Mira.
Es como pulga allá adentro.
¿Por qué está amarillo?
Mira, a ver, vamos.
Pero no vamos a parar. Dile bye.
Good afternoon, guys. It's been a long day. Okay, guys.
Oh my god.
My hair. Okay. We're at the restaurant. Hold on. Alex?
Que Jaime quiere una foto.
Espérate.
Mamá, ponte esto para tu...
A ver, Junior.
Ay, ya. Ni me la enredaron bien a mí.
¿Qué pasó, Alex?
No, ya. Estamos en Arkansas. Ya. Y aquí comiendo una quesadilla, mira.
Ay, no, déjame hablar, mijo. A ver, sigue Cristo.
Porque estamos comiendo canita y pues,
Aquí, ve acá. Voltea a ver aquí.
y pues vamos en Tennessee.
¿Estamos en Tennessee?
He fucking that shit up.
Está bien bueno. I apologize if the lighting was really bad, like really dark or really light in some parts. This was my first video filmed with the camera. Not right now, I'm filming this on my computer, but I'm still getting used to the settings and everything. I'm still playing with the settings to see what settings I like the most. But thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, peace out.